What's up, YouTubers? It's your old buddy Hardworker12 with you here. And you know, I do enjoy watching the cold start videos on YouTube where people get into whatever, typically older car they have on a very cold morning and see what it takes to start it up. But I thought I'd flip the script a little bit today. This is a 2021 Subaru Legacy XT Touring, and I think this qualifies as a cold start morning, probably. So let's see what it takes to cold start this bad boy here. Gotta put my pin in. I probably shouldn't show that on the internet. Let's see if it works. There you go. There's a cold start on a 2021 Subaru. Merry Christmas, everybody.